can you do a video with the steps on how to open a new LLC? I could try to work on that in the future, but just in a nutshell, you can get an LLC set up with your accountant or just by going to a real estate attorney. It's actually very easy. You can even set those up online. I think somebody actually sent me an email not so long ago asking to see if it was a good idea to open up an LLC. I think in essence, all depends on what is it that you're looking for. If you're getting started, you don't have that much capital to, do a, I don't want to use the word bulletproof, but a complex legal structure, then having an LLC, it's better than having nothing. So yeah, I'll definitely do some additional workaround, speak to my accountant to see what are the steps to go about it. I just usually just go to my accountant and say, hey, I need an LLC. Can you open it? So, and it also depends on what state you actually want to open up the LLC. So just so you know, for every LLC that you decide to open, even if you open it in another state, you're going to need an address where you're actually doing business at. So if you, let's say, for example, live in the state of New York, you can easily use your home address, although I don't recommend it for your LLC. So the best way to go about it is to get one of those PO boxes that don't look like a PO box, but I know UPS has them to a certain degree. I forgot what other service has them, but they give you a UPS with an address that actually looks professional. So 123 Main Street, Suite A or something like that. And it's only like 20 or 40 bucks a month that you can actually pay to get one of those services. And what you do is that all the mail that you get for the LLC is going to be forwarded to that. It's meant, one, to protect you against any litigation for anonymity reasons, for security reasons. You do not want to give your home address for your business. So that's if you're opening the LLC in your own state. But for those who want to do business in a different state, you're going to need to pay for a service that's called a registered agent. So, and that's usually with local attorneys or local CPAs that are in the area or in the state that you're choosing to do business with. And in exchange of a fee, you sort of like rent their address, right? So you rent their address, they're gonna let you use their address legally so that you can use that and set up the LLC in that particular state. So it's a fee that you have to take into consideration. So every year when your LLC is due for renovation, you're going to have to pay two fees, the registered agent fee and also the LLC fee. So that's in a nutshell what I have to share. I'll provide more details sometime down the road in another episode, but hopefully that helps out just to give you an idea of the things that you need to consider in the setup of an LLC.